Hi friends, welcome in this online teaching. Today we have to see the second chapter of standard 6. The name of the chapter is Living Word. In this chapter we have to see different topics. See here. In this picture, we can see different animals, objects, or different things. List the things seen in the picture. Say whether they are living or non-living. Friends, on the basis of this picture, you have to separate the things that are living or non-living in the two separate groups. See here, there is a plant. After that, there is a cock. There is a boy, girl, dog. These are the all living things. As well as in that picture, non-living things are also present. The name of the non-living things, see there is a football, that is a non-living. Kite, thread, box, book, bucket, home, door, fan, all these things are the non-living things. So friends, with the help of this picture, we have to study about the characteristics of living things. See, characteristics of living things. There are many kinds of plants and animals around us. In our environment, there are different types of plants and animals are present. They show some similarities and some differences. In that plant and animal, some similarities and some differences we get when we observe it carefully. Yet, with the help of certain feature, we can tell that they are all living things. So, on the some features, we can tell they are all living things. These features are not seen in non-living things. The features that are present in the living things, that features are not present in the non-living things. So, on the basis of that feature, we can separate the living and non-living things. Such features are said to be characteristics of living things. And there is one proper word for this features, that is characteristics of living things. That characteristics present in that animal, we call it as these are the living things, and that characteristics is absent, that object or thing, we call it as these are the non-living things. Let us study these characteristics. So friends, first characteristics of living things is growth. Growth is a first characteristics. See in this picture, observe this picture carefully. There is a baby grown up to become an adult person. See in this first picture, there is a baby and that baby grow up to an adult in the last picture. Next, woman or man, both are present in that picture. During the period of its growth, the body gains in height, weight and strength. The growth is occurred in all the body parts and height, weight and strength also. That is all over growth of the body. In the same manner, all animal grow into adults in a certain period. Man as well as other animals also grow in that manner up to certain period. Generally human required 18 to 21 years for this growth. For the human 18 to 21 years required for this growth. This growth period is different in different animals or different plants. Find out how long it takes for a young ones and hence cow and dog to grow into adults. So that is also different time period in different animals or plant. Next, see here, with the help of this picture we can guess how the growth of the plants is occurred or happen. See, tie a thread to a tip of a potted sapling. Keep the thread stretched and tie it to the peg or nail above the plant. What do you observe after 10 to 15 days? See, in this picture there is one potted plant and thread is tied to the tip of this plant. After some days, after 10 to 15 days, that thread is loose. Why? There is a growth in that plant is occurred. What tells us that the plant has grown taller? In all plant it is mainly the width and height of the stem that grows. In different or all the plants there is a height, width and height of the stem is greater after some time. As they grow, some plants develop branches while others do not. Some plant when grow up to certain height they create branches, but some plants are not create branches earlier. Though all living things grow, animal grow only for a certain period. But animals are grow up to certain period, but plants are grow to the last of the life. Whole the life period plants there is the growth of plant is happen. Plant on the other hand grows as long as they live. Up to their death, the growth of living things occur from within the body, which means that growth occur in all parts of the body. So friends, this is the information about the first characteristics of living things, that is growth. So friends, we will stop here. The next topic we have to take in the next video. So thank you.